Hello everyone, I'm your host JJay Vlogs. It's Justice Lincoln, and this video is going to be about how to be the best smelling person in the room. Now, I know I'm standing up in this video. Usually I'd be sitting down, but I just want to try something new out. Let me know how you like it down in the comments below. And let's get into number one. Showers. Well, I know some people who don't shower, and I tend to stay away from those people. Alright, showering literally helps you smell better. It gets rid of your body odors, your sweat. I guess you can skip a day or two to not shower, but after those 2 days of you not showering, that's just nasty. Alright, and me showering, I've been using this scrubber, if that's what's called. I don't know the name of it really, but this scrubber actually gets rid of your dead skin more. It exfoliates your skin, and also it helps you more out with smoothing your skin out. Okay, I was gonna say that right now. It is really great. I've been using it for a couple months now, and for my back, I've been using this back scrubber. It's the same material. It's just really it hurts. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it kind of hurts when you just starting out, but I get the spots that I can't get rid of with my washcloth with the scrubber, and back washer really does help me. I'm not gonna lie to you. It makes me feel more smoothed out, makes me feel more loose. Moving on to number two, hair and products. Yo, that's hilarious. Right now, I know I'm bald. Me being bald has nothing to do with me not using hair products or body products. I still need to wash my head. I still need to clean it. I can still grow hair. I just choose not to. But these are the products I've been using to clean myself with. I just want to say this right now. The body wash that I've been using, it smells really good. It's really nice. It's Suave or Dove, and I hope people like it. And if you don't like it, that's okay. You don't have to use it. Everybody got their own preference of what they want to use. Moving on to number three, oral. If you don't know oral, it's mouth. I want to say this right now. If you don't brush your teeth, you're disgusting. Matter of fact, I'm gonna change that up. If you do not brush your tongue, you're disgusting. All right, your tongue is where it holds all the food or all the smell, the taste. Of course, that's how your breath starts stinking. All right, brush your teeth, brush your tongue. All right, it takes at least 2 minutes to brush your teeth, brush your tongue. Keep doing that, and floss, of course. Use mouthwash. And you have those Listerine mints or just mint gum or something like that. Keep using that, man. Just use it. Don't be coming around here with your bad breath, coming in people's faces, talking to them like that, man. That's disgusting. I'm gonna push you away. I'm gonna walk away from you. I'm not gonna talk to you no more. People are not gonna tell you your breath stink. They're gonna tell other people that your breath stink. You don't want that. That's embarrassing. That's nasty. And nobody's gonna talk to you. Nobody wants to talk to you. No girl's gonna come up to you, and no guy's gonna come up to you if your breath is nasty, your teeth yellow and everything. Come on now. Number four is cologne and perfume. All right, ladies, I just want to say this right now. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say this right now. Cologne and perfume should be used 4 times and 4 times only. Okay, nobody should be knowing that you're walking into the building. Everybody should be knowing you're smelling good when they come up to you, give you a hug, a dap up. I'm going to point on my body where you put the perfume or cologne at, and that's where it's most effective. Both sides of your neck, both of your wrists. And once you put both of your wrists, you're gonna do this on your body, and just do that. You're gonna add it right here. That's all you need. That's all you need to do. All right, don't be using all that much. You don't know if somebody's going to be coughing around you or sneezing because of how much perfume or cologne you got on. You don't want that. That's bad for you. That's bad for them. And plus, it burns your skin. Not gonna lie, I had this kind of problem of burning my skin. Whenever I shave over my body or something like that, and I put cologne on, yeah, it burns. Like it's like alcohol. Unfortunately, that's all for today. I want to say thank you very much, everybody, for tuning in this video. I want to say appreciate everybody for listening to these tips, and if these tips didn't help you, then that's okay. It should help you because this is basic hygiene tips for men and women. And I just want to say, please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you need any socials, my socials will be in the description. Ask me any questions personally or down in the comments. I will gladly answer them. And thank you very much for tuning in this video. It is your host, JJay Vlogs. It's Justice Lincoln, out.